hanzi mudumbu rimwe chete dumbu 1 charo munobuda mbavha tsotsi mufundisi zvese ipapo. I've noticed one thing with elder sisters, because I'm a firstborn. They are loving people. If you're a firstborn and you're looking at me, you're doing a good job. We are loving people. We support our siblings. But I don't think our siblings love us the way we do. I don't think our siblings love us the way we love them. I don't think so. We kind of, my firstborn akawanda, they sacrifice a lot. They sacrifice a lot for their siblings. They do. Kangani vanhu vari vakabudira tongoti uri kwauri kokonotongoti denda tumira munin'ina wangu, denda mutora, denda didi. Kangani. How many times have you done that? Vanasisi vazhinji vanoda masisters avo. I know of one person who watches this channel vari kuUK aindoudza kuti akasiyira mwana sisi vake. Asira vana sisi, asi sisi vavo zvavaiita